My name is Teresa. I work at the West Boulevard Public Library in Charlotte, North Carolina. It's part of the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Library System, and I work as a children's librarian there. A really good day for me on the job is when I get to do something that just really puts a smile on a customer's face. I think that people who haven't used libraries in a while would be very surprised to see what our facilities look like. There's all sorts of new and different things that we offer. We offer all sorts of training online. We offer ebooks. I work with the CMS schools to provide free lunches for kids over the summertime when they don't have free lunch and free breakfast at school. If you are a reader, if you enjoy music, if you enjoy movies, if you are seeking information, if you are interested in learning something new, it's a wonderful resource. It costs you nothing. Using books from the library is very green. I would say just check it out, see what you think. I chose to be a member of LGFCU because my parents always had the opportunity to use a credit union. I just really feel like a real person, an individual when I go there. The products that they offer, to me they offer any product that you could get at the bank, and yet the interest rates are better and the service is more personal, and it's more about being a part of the community. So if you haven't already joined LGFCU, this would be a great time to do so.
LGFCU is an equal housing opportunity lender and federally insured by NCUA.